Imagine launching a powerful, professional website and managing your entire online presence, all from one intuitive platform. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how Beehiiv transforms complex website building into a smooth, step-by-step process, giving you a complete online hub. First, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to the website section in your dashboard. This is where your digital storefront comes to life. Click Create New Page, and you'll see a variety of Predecin templates. Choose one that fits your vision or start from scratch. Beehiiv's drag-and-drop editor makes design effortless. Simply drag text blocks, image galleries, and other content elements onto your page. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts to perfectly match your brand. Need to showcase your latest articles? Easily integrate a section to display your blog post previews, keeping your visitors engaged with fresh content. To grow your audience, embed a sign-up form or offer a valuable lead magnet directly on your pages. Beehiiv seamlessly connects your website visitors to your email list. Build out all your essential pages: a circumflex euros, your About Us, contact page, and any other sections you need to tell your story and provide information. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to connect your custom domain. Head to the website settings and follow the simple steps to point your domain to your new Beehiiv masterpiece. And there you have it. A complete, professional website built and managed entirely within Beehiiv, ready to attract visitors and grow your business. It's that accessible, that efficient.